Understanding the components of a thermal system. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we identify the key components of thermal systems, including the center glass U factor, the edge of glass U factor, the frame U value, and more. When we talk about thermal performance in a glazed system, there are three components that go into a thermal break in a system. The first is the center glass U value, and it can be impacted by these variables: surface coatings, inert glass between the lights of glass, or moving, like we just looked at, from double glazing to triple glazing. The second component of a thermal break is the edge glass U value. This can be impacted by changing from warm edge spacers, stainless steel, rigid foam, or polymer spacers away from standard typical aluminum spacers. Then the third and last is the thermal break in the framing system. And again, you have other options you can take a look at that will move toward incrementally improving the thermal performance of the framing system. So when we talk about a thermal break in a system, there are three components that the architect has control over: center glass U factor, edge of glass U factor, and then the frame U factor. Then all of those combined together will give you the overall system U factor. And that's the number you need to be looking at. It's going to be driven by the code that's adopted in your area. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.